Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how does Shopify make money. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. To make money with Shopify, first of all you need to create a Shopify account and you need to open a Shopify store. And after opening a Shopify store, you have to add your product to the Shopify store. So for that, go to products and click on add product and enter the title of the product and enter here the product description, and now add here product media. So click on add file and you can select or upload multiple photos. And now enter your product price here, and if the product has any discount then you can add your discount rate here, and you can add cost per rate here, and enter your inventory here and turn on this continuous selling when out of stock. You can turn on this. And if this is a physical product, then you have to check this option, and if your product is a soft copy or music, then you have to uncheck this. So my bag is a physical product, so I'm going to checking this option and now give here the weight. And scroll up and product status, select active, and product type, select the type and select the vendor here, and collection, you can select the collection, and now enter your product tags here. Now click on save, and now I'm going to opening my store. So here you can see the bag has been successfully uploaded to my store, and this is how we can sell product on Shopify, and this is how we can make money with Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.